All right, so let's get started. I'm going to get started with the closing remarks. Thank you everyone for being here. Let me just do this real quick. All right, everyone. Whoa, it was a long day, wasn't it? Yeah, I'm super tired, but I'm like ecstatic. I'm happy, really happy to be here. There was a lot of great information today. Did you all learn anything new? Was it all that you expected? Did you enjoy the keynotes? Let me know in the chat. Well, continue with my closing remarks. Let's see what we got here. So I have a few notes I want to tell for you for tomorrow. We got two keynotes that you should definitely not miss tomorrow. We got Bringing the Security into Our Open Source Community by Gabriel Aguiar-Nuri. He's the program manager at Canonical. That's going to be starting at 7:30 a.m. right after my session in the morning, which, by the way, is getting pushed. My day two welcome remarks are going to be pushed by 10 minutes. They're going to be at 7:10 a.m. Pacific. And then Gabriel is going to come up after me at 7:30. And then the second keynote is by Dr. Brian Gerke, the CEO of Open Robotics. That's going to be a huge one with his keynote on open source robotics at 20. Oh, of course, there's a firefighter siren going ringing. But the most important thing to remember for tomorrow, it's the after party. That's going to be starting at 3:15 p.m. Pacific. You should definitely not miss it if you can attend. I know the time would not work for everyone, but if you're up for it, you're going to be in for a treat. It's going to be amazing. You're going to love it. I'm really excited for that one. And thank you, Model AI, for sponsoring the after party. Yeah, and that was a brief pause right there because a firefighter siren was just going through the street. Hey, everyone. I had an amazing day today. Let me know if you have any questions, if there's anything else that we can do for you. I think we should end the day here. We had a lot of fun with you. And tomorrow is going to be another full day of Drone Development Conference, so I'm really looking forward for that. But before I let you go, I really quickly want to thank our sponsors again. Thank you to Alterian, 96 Wards, NXP, the Technology Innovation Institute, UBFI, CUAV, HoloGrow, Model AI, and Ubuntu for your sponsorship. We wouldn't be able to do this without you. And thank you for allowing us to put this event together. And thank you to the Linux Foundation events team. You guys did an amazing job. Everything was amazing today. I think this has been one of the most professional events we've put together. And it's all thanks to you. And with that said, I want to just end the day here. So thank you, everyone. I had an amazing time. It's time to wrap it up here, but let's do it again tomorrow, all right? So talk to you soon. Goodbye.